We're gonna go find the stud.
Oh, that's for true. Oh,
What, you thought I was talking to you?
no, I just forgot you.
There's the stud. Yep. We're gonna get it to nose height. Go in. You'll feel the wood. That's all you need to do there. Take off the stud buddy. Then you get the mount open. Pull all this out. Pull this plate off by that. Just remember it's there. Pull this off. That's for the back of the TV. Then you're going to find the screws, which are these ones, these 3 screws. Pull them all out. Get yourself a level. There's a level. And then I'm going to get a piece that matches this. So probably one of these ones. Okay, so that one will work. Put it into here. Bring your level and your 3 screws. Pull right there. Top one. Put the screw through. You're going to go into it as kind of as a pilot. If you feel the screwdriver fighting back at you, that means you hit wood, which is good. Get it mostly tight. Put the level. So naturally level, actually. That's good. Then you can do the best one. Still level. Oh man, I did it backwards. See the arrow? You want that facing up. Ow. Third one for good measure. Okay, tight, tight, tight. Just double check it. There. Throw these aside. Don't put too much pressure on the screen. Okay, you're gonna just show the back. You got your TV remote in here. Okay, these on. Just gonna come straight out like this. The divot, this little divot will go into that. Hand tighten it. These ones right here, MC. I'm gonna fasten it to the back. Grab this. The reason this is upside down is because this is supposed to fit into there. That's how you can tell.
You might not. You might not. Feel the vacuum? Here, I'll
Okay, now it's right. Now we can tip up the TV, lift it, get it into the whole thing. There you go. And then boom, that will sit. Gotta go get that black screw. This piece levels it. So you'll go back here. Just be cautious. If you see the screw, and you'll see the screw right there. Get it level, right in the middle. Okay, perfect.
Oh yeah. You know why?
There you go. Pull it out. Should be level. But what you should do is pull these up and then tighten these. How you do that is with this. I'm gonna pull the TV back and tighten it. Same with these ones. Just do one with the top two. Okay. Should be as tall as you. So if you see we're halfway up the TV, that's perfect. Push it back. TV plug. Okay, that's done. Then we want to keep the legs, keep the bolts, throw it back in here. We're gonna put it in the closet in here, just in case they need to do something with it later.